people in my universal world of peeps. How y'all doing today? I hope you're doing well. Yes, I have on my heart glasses because I'm filming this in the month of February. The month of love. Although in my world, every day, every month is a month of love. Today, this is the hack of the week. Okay? Coming at you really quickly with what you need to do to make your life easier. Okay? So today's hack is how to use up your manky looking veg.
Manky? Did you just say manky?
Manky. Now in America, y'all probably don't know what manky means.
Can you explain?
Manky is skanky. They're both the same.
Manky is skanky.
Manky skanky veg. Now you know that noise you hear in the background is Stella. Y'all know I have banned that dog from coming to my house when I film because every time Stella is here, Stella thinks she is the one who is on display. She's just vain. But I'm sorry, Stella. The video is not about you. It's about our manky skanky veg.
Manky skanky veg.
Now
You should call it Momma Cherri and a manky skanky.
Now let me show y'all what I mean. Because I know daggone well, if y'all went to the fridge.
Mum, can you take those off? They're really distracting. Thank you.
Put them on my head.
Thank you.
Y'all know daggone well, if you went to the fridge and you pulled out something looking like this.
Oh no.
Ew.
Hang on, let me just Mum, that's gross.
Okay, now.
That is
I'll be honest with y'all. I did buy a whole bunch of courgette. It was a job lot. And I think this one must have been on its way out the door before it even came in my door. And I've just discovered this in my fridge. Now, y'all would throw this in the bin in a heartbeat.
I totally would.
But not the mama. You know why? Because I know how to count my pennies and stretch them. And this is how we go. And this is, wait a minute. Hold up. Let's put them up on my head. Hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Where's my bits? There we go.
Oh my word. Mum, just take them off.
There we go.
Okay.
So, all you got to do is cut away. Look at that. Y'all can see, ain't nothing wrong with that. Anything wrong with that? No.
It's fine.
Now, this bit, it's pretty bad.
Almost frozen, actually. It looks like it's frozen.
It looks like it might have
frozen.
Yeah, it don't matter. We ain't using that bit. However, cut here because there's another soft bit. So we're just going to cut that away.
Okay.
And then there's another soft bit. Cut that away. And what you left with? Some good courgette. So we're going to use this, okay? So that's manky veg number 1. Let's look at manky veg number 2.
Oh, so you've got a plethora of
Oh, I got a whole bunch of manky veg. But I'm going to use it up. See these mushrooms?
Oh, yeah, they look a bit.
They look a little bit, but ain't nothing wrong with them. All you got to do is that. Look at that.
Okay, what if they're slimy?
Well, if they were slimy, you'd throw them in the bin. I ain't eating nobody's slime.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
You know the difference between completely off and superficial off.
Superficial.
And this is superficially
Keep it
off.
still so I can
Now
see.
look how beautiful that
Mum,
mushroom is.
Stop moving. Got it.
A lovely mushroom. Here we go. Another superficial one. Oh, we got, and look how easy that is. See? You just grab your knife and you pull up. Okay? There you go. 2 mushrooms demanked. Here we go. See how easy that is? Now, I know there's quite a few of you students. Yes, I'm talking to you students. Go out and get you some veg. And if you don't have time to use it immediately, just demank it like the mama. Okay? So that's that. Now, also, you see here? It says reduce. Now, it's reduced because I don't even know why it's reduced.
What's the date on it? What's the date on it?
I don't be looking at nobody's daggone dates.
That's going to be why it's reduced.
Y'all be looking at some dates. I ain't looking at no dates.
I guarantee it's reduced because of the date. What's the date on it? Look at the date on it.
I'm trying to
Used by. used by.
Well, let me see. I gotta have to peel this bit
Well, no,
off.
because it says.
Where? You going to find it then?
Oh yeah, you're right. Sorry, Mum.
It don't matter. It's reduced. But I wish these supermarkets, for one, would stop
wrapping it in
this stuff in
plastic.
plastic.
So wasteful.
And that is another reason this stuff goes off, because it gets all condensation-y up in there. You don't need to be doing that. So, I can tell you right now, ain't nothing wrong with this.
There's nothing wrong with that broccoli.
So, I'm going to go and have a look in my fridge, see if I got me an old one. Hold on. I'll be right back.
I'm following you. I bet you do.
Oh, these are old. Let's get those.
The 4th of December,
Shut up.
2019? Mother! Are you seeing that? 4th of December. It's the 5th of February. Mama!
Ain't nothing wrong with them.
Wow.
Now, I don't have any more broccoli, but I do have some Brussels here, which I'm going to use. So, let's go for these. She's fussing at these, but let's see
They're
what...
2 months old, Mum.
Yes, but let me open them up and see.
Do they smell?
No.
I'm going to hang on.
They do not smell.
No, they don't actually.
Ain't nothing wrong with them.
wrong with them.
The only thing wrong with them
Is it the first layer?
is that first layer.
Okay.
So we just
Oh,
go
let's show, can we show that one so they can see
Okay,
what I mean?
see that?
Yeah, it's a bit manky.
So you cut here, and you just want to delayer it.
Cool.
Okay? So, y'all don't need to sit there and watch me delayering all these, but I'm just letting you know. Okay, here's some other veg, okay? Spring onions.
Let's have a look. Yeah, they look a bit tired.
They're just a little bit tired. Now, you know me, normally I would use the whole thing. These ones are a bit gone. So I'm just going to take that off. However, all of this part here, oh, I can hear my recycling being taken, thank goodness. So, these take off that first layer. Here we go.
And then they're good to go.
And they're good to go. So,
Anything else, old, before we sign off?
no.
Look, that pepper's got a bit of slime on it. I can see it.
Ain't no slime on this pepper.
Looks a bit manky. It's a bit dried up. And
It's because it's been used
I know,
before.
it's to show people what to
So
do.
all you got to do, if it look, see her, she'd have thrown that in the bin. All you got to do is this. Just go very thin, and now look at how lovely. This pepper even got a baby growing in it. We're going to eat the baby. We're not cannibalists. We're not even vegetabilists. But we're going to eat that pepper baby. Okay? Here we go. So.
Cool.
That's what you do to demankify your veg. Mama's quick hack of the week. Get your knife out, prep your veg, and then start your meal. So, people, join me on Patreon. Join me on my channel. Hit that button and subscribe. And now Mama's just going to come to you with and say, with a little bit of peace, a whole lot of love and soul from the Demankified Mama.